Hey guys, and welcome to behind the scenes of the Blacksmith Production Studios. Here was used by my neighbor from across the street, Jose, and he used it in Star Wars Episode 1 Attack of the Bounty. Another one was this one, the inflatable astronaut. This was used in one of my early videos called The Attack of the Inflatable Astronaut. It was also used for the bounty hunter in Star Wars Episode 1 Attack of the Bounty Hunter, with my neighbor starring in. This prop of Yoda was used in the Random Stuff video. These two sets are from Star Wars Episode 6, The Truth.
So far away, come on, I'll take you far away. Let's get away, come on, let's make a getaway.